Hello everyone, this is Parag from channel Qtomation. In today's lecture, we will see about concatenation in Python. So in Python, string concatenation is the process of merging two or more strings. The plus operator, or this is also known as a concatenation operator, and it is also known as a plus symbol. So that operator is used for the concatenation operation, and it will add two strings with each other. So in Python, string concatenation is the process of merging two or more strings. The plus operator adds a string to another string. Also, if we use the plus operator or the concatenation operator between two numbers, if we use this operator between two numbers, then it will perform the arithmetic operation. So for example, if we use this operator between two numbers, let's say 2 and 3, right? So if you say 2 plus 3, then it will add those two numbers and it will return the value as 5. Similarly, we have to remember one thing, that we can use this concatenation operator only between same type of data. We cannot concatenate two different types. If we try to concatenate two different types of data, then it will throw type error. So that one thing we have to remember. Now we will see practically examples about the concatenation. So I'm just going to open the PyCharm. Let's create new file. So I'm going to name it as, let's say, concat demo.py. And in this file, now let's try to concatenate two strings. For example, I'm going to print, let's say, hello. This is the first string, and I'm going to use concatenation operator, that is plus symbol, and I'm going to concatenate it with another string. So let's say there is another string world. So when I run this file, or when I run this statement, so it will simply concatenate hello and world, and it will combine, right? So if you see the output, it will combine two strings and it is printing hello world as a output. So this is valid statement. This one is valid statement. In this statement, we have concatenated two strings together, right? So this is completely valid statement. Now let's say I am trying to, let's say, print 10, after that plus 10. So now here 10 is a integer of number type, right? So if we know that in numbers we have integer and floats. So here we are trying to combine two integers, that is 10 plus 10. Let's run this and let's see what is the output, right? So it will print 20. So whenever we use this concatenation operator between two numbers, it will perform the arithmetic operation and it will add those two numbers. So but this is also a valid. Now let's say one more thing. For example, if I want to print 10.5, that is a float number along with another float number, so what it will return? So let's print, or let's run this file. It will return 21.0, right? So it is also a valid statement. In this statement, we have concatenated, or we have added two float numbers together, right? So it is also a valid statement. In Python, we can concatenate same data types, but we cannot use different data types for the concatenation. That we will see in some time. Before that, let's try one more thing. Let's say let's print 10.5, that is the float number, concatenation operator, that is plus symbol, along with string. Now let's run this file. So this is also valid, right? Because this is integer, this is float, and this is integer, but both are numbers data type, right? So in that case, this is also a valid statement. Now let's try with the boolean data type. For example, let's try print true. So we know that in boolean data type there are only two values. Boolean data type can have value as true or false. So in Python, let's try to concatenate boolean, that is true value, with let's say integer value, right? So this is true plus 10, and let's run the file and let's see what is the output. So it will print 11, right? Why it printed 11? Because in Python true is considered as 1. In Python the true is considered as 1. That's why 1 plus 10, it will return value as 11. So this is also a valid statement. Similarly, false is considered as 0 in Python. So if you try to combine false with let's say 10, so it will return value as, let's check it out. So it will return value as 10 because false is considered as a 0 and 0 plus 10 is nothing but 10, right? So this statement is also valid statement. Now let's see one more example. Let's try to combine two boolean values, that is true plus true. So we know that in Python true is considered as 1, right? So 1 plus 1, it will return, let's check it out. So it will return 2, right? Because this true is 1, this true is also 1. So 1 plus 1 is equals 2. So this is also a valid statement. Let's try to print true plus false. Let's run the file. So true is 1 and false is 0. So the output that will come, that will be 1 plus 0, that is 1. So this is also valid. Right, so in Python we can combine two same data types, but if we try to combine two different data types, then it will throw type error. Now let's say, so far what we have seen, all these statements are valid statement. Now let's try and check out what are the different invalid statements. For example, if I try to print, let's say 100. Now 100 is a number, right? So 100 is an integer, and let's try to combine that number with string value, let's say welcome, and let's run the file. Right, so when we run the file, you can simply see the error, right? So what error it is saying? It is giving type error. It is saying unsupported operand types for integer and string. So here we are trying to concatenate integer with string, and both are different data types. That's why it is throwing the type error. So in Python we can only combine the similar data types and not the different data type. If we try to combine two different data types, then that will throw type error, and this is invalid statement. Now let's try to print boolean value plus some string value. Let's comment this first statement, and let's run this file. So here we are trying to combine boolean value along with the string value. Again, both are different data types. So in that case also it will throw error. It will throw type error, and it is saying that we are trying to using unsupported operand types for boolean and string. So here we are trying to concatenate boolean along with the string. So this is also invalid. It will throw the type error. Right, so far we have seen. So in Python we can combine similar data types, but we cannot concatenate different data types. For example, we cannot concatenate boolean with string, or the integer, that is numbers, with string as well. Now let's try one more example. Let's try to print float value with string value. Let's run the file. Before that, let's comment second statement as well. This one. Now let's run the file. So when we run, it will again throw type error, right? Because we are trying to combine number that is also a float along with the string. So it is saying that type error, unsupported operand types for float and string, right? So this is the example. So let's go back and revise one more time. Right, so in Python, these are the valid statements. So if you try to combine or concatenate string with the string, that is valid. That is nothing but concatenation of two strings. We can also use concatenation operator between two numbers that will act as a arithmetic operation. It will add those two values. So it will work with two integers, two floats as well, one float and one integer, because integer and floats are part of numbers only. So between the numbers we can use this concatenation or plus operator that will return the value of addition. Similarly in Python, boolean value is treated as 1, that is true is treated as 1 and false is considered as a 0, and we can combine those values with integer or numbers, right? So if we simply print true plus 10, it will return 11 because true is considered as 1. So these are also valid statement. Similarly print true plus true, right? So true is 1, this is also 1, so 1 plus 1 it will return 2. This is also a valid statement. But in Python we cannot combine or we cannot concatenate two different data types. So if you try to concatenate string with number or string with boolean, then it will throw the type error, that is the invalid statement, right? So this is about the concatenation in Python. So subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you everyone for watching.